Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 screen flickering issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, here you will see a adaptive brightness button and eye comfort shield button. So turn on the adaptive brightness button and turn off eye comfort shield. And then go back and scroll down. And here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. And then scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here click on reset settings again to confirm and then enter your lock screen password here. Now go back to settings and here scroll down and click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version.